Hi, my name is Henry Segerman. This is Tetrahedral racks. This is joint work with Saul Schleimer. So this is a mechanism made out of 4 parts. Each part has these 3 rods. The rods have triangular cross-section, and you can see there are these teeth or gear teeth or rack teeth on all 3 sides of each rod. And then the whole thing comes together in this complicated, confusing mechanism mess in the middle. So there's a lot of symmetry here. So there's a 4-fold rotational symmetry here, or at least there is when it's in the sort of mid point of the mechanism. If I move it away a little bit, you can see it reduces down to just 2-fold rotational symmetry. There's 3-fold rotational symmetry sort of in these holes here. If I hold it like this, then you can see the 3-fold rotational symmetry here. And there's also another way you can see 2-fold rotational symmetry here. So there's a lot of symmetry, and the whole symmetry group of the object is a tetrahedral symmetry. So hence the name tetrahedral racks. Now this is a generalization of Borromean racks, which we worked on a while ago. So this wasn't printed in one piece. There are these end caps that come off. There's these little plugs that go into holes in the end here. And if you remove all of them, then the whole thing comes apart. And so this is actually the really hardest part of this whole thing, is putting it together in such a way that all of the offsets of the 4 rods are the same. So you see that they're all going in the same distance. It's really, really, really difficult to put these together so that happens. So I'm going to take this apart once. This is the one take that I get, so here we go. So there are the 4 pieces. And one of the things that makes this so difficult is that when you put 2 of the pieces together, let's see if I can figure out how to do that. So 2 of them fit together like this, and they slide against each other, but they're not sort of locked into place. There's this big gap in there. Even when you've got 3 of them in there, it's not really stable, and it's only really stable when all 4 of them are in there. And then once you've got them in there, they're not at the right offset. So, you know, one of them is forward 1 gear click or something like that. So it really makes it a very difficult puzzle to put them together. As I say, I'm not going to do that on camera. Anyway, so this is tetrahedral racks. Thanks for watching.